Hello, my name's Chris, otherwise known as Zaphod, and today you'll find me sitting in the garage at home in the Mini, which is my daily driver. Some of you will be aware of the history of this vehicle. It's been in the family for 10 years, in my hands for 5, and in my late missus' hands the 5 years previous. So it's always Doreen's Mini, never to be sold. But today's job is to replace the rubber cover which operates the boot release, which has perished after 16 years. The quality of rubber isn't what it's like. So as I haven't been able to find anything specific for a 2009 Mini Convertible with this job to do, here's a quick guide. The procedure is the same on the standard Minis, the hatches, but there's no guide for this. The parts are the same, the procedure is the same. So just have a little quick look through this to reassure yourself if you have this problem. The OEMs are still available, the rubber bits for the vehicle, but I am led to believe that there are some better quality ones out there. But let's see how it goes with this one. If it helps you, fine. Now there's 4 bolts hiding under the chrome sort of prettiness here, in recesses, and I don't know whether the phone will focus or not, but if I'll try and point to it, yeah, in that recess there, whether the phone will pick it up or not, is a T20 bolt. There are 4 of them, and you can see this one has liberally used lubricating spray on the offending bolts, and in theory this should just come off. Now I'm expecting a connector to the tail light. So the last bolt's free and away, and this just, oh, look at the crud under there. Yeah, and I expect a connector there. Maybe I'll be able to undo that one-handed, but law of sod says I probably won't. I will try. Off it came, unceremoniously, with an O-ring. And let's have a look. So that's what you got there. You can see this one was this rubber cover for a switch, well, the best of shape, shall we say. So we're going to clear off all this manky rubber here. Say poor quality rubber, it only lasted 15 years in all sorts of weather conditions. So we'll clean that up, and hopefully it's down here. This one will fit in. So with some jiggery pokery and making sure everything lined up and everything was in place, the new one is in. I'm not entirely happy with the fitment of it, you know, because there's a gap on this side, but it's holding, it's secure. So here's the last of the T20s being tightened up. They do appear to go in at a slightly strange angle in that recess there. So there we are, job done, all back together again. And I've cleaned around the chrome, well, I say the plastic chrome here. It's come up rather well. The only thing to do is to do the rest of the car. Job done. If you've liked this little quick guide on how to replace the boot rubber switch cover, or any of my other stuff on the channel, please like, share and subscribe. Hopefully we'll be getting back to this very soon. Thank you, thanks for watching, bye for now.